Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a movie on your phone. First of all, open your Google Play Store and download InShot Video Editor. Open the app. Now here, if you want to make a video, click on Video. Here you can select all of your video files that you want to edit. You can also select a single or multiple files. After selecting all of your files, click on the green tick button. And now you are in the timeline section, and here you can do a bunch of stuff with your video files. Let me show you some of them. First of all, we have video trimming. You can select and hold the video ends. You can swipe them right or left. And this is the easiest way you can trim your footage from the beginning or from the end. But what if you want to trim your footage from the center? Then we also have a split button. Go to the exact location you want to make a split and click on the split button. And if you want to crop your video, you can go in the canvas section, and here you can zoom into your video and you can crop out the unnecessary things from your video. You can also add smooth transitions between your split of the videos. For example, you will see a white square between the splits of the video. If you click on it, it will show you some smooth and beautiful transitions that you can add between those clips. Or if you click on the plus button on the bottom left corner, it will show you two options. One, we can add a blank video, or we can add a video from our gallery. So I will select a blank video. A blank space is added to my timeline at the end of the video, and now I can also add text to this blank space. I can also add beautiful animations for our text, and also I will have access to some of the beautiful fonts that I can use in my video. Plus, if I go to the audio section, here I will see most commonly used sound effects, totally for free. You can add any sound effect in your video to make your video more engaging. If your footage has a lot of background noise, then you can also lower down the volume, or you can extract out the audio of your video or totally delete the audio so your footage can look more clean. After editing your footage, all you have to do is export, and how you can do it is click on the top right button and select the resolution, whether you want 1080p, 2K or 4K. You can also set the frame rate and also the format. After selecting all of your desired options, you can click on export, and after some time your video will be exported and you can also watch it on your gallery. Thanks for watching guys. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.